This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable your touchpad in Windows 10. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my laptop right now. I currently have my touchpad disabled, but to enable or disable your touchpad, first thing you want to do is tap on the Windows logo key. I have my keyboard brought up here. The Windows logo key could be found right here. You want to tap on the Windows logo key, and what that will do is bring this up here. And as you can see, my cursor is already in the search box. Type in touchpad settings. And as you can see right up here at the top, it's already on touchpad settings. I'm simply going to hit enter. That will bring up the touchpad settings, and as you can see right here, my touchpad has been disabled. It's toggled off. Now to toggle that on, all I need to do is hit my space key on my keyboard. I'm going to hit the space key. Now my touchpad settings are on. My touchpad is enabled. And if I hit the space key again, it is disabled. That is how to enable or disable your touchpad in Windows 10. Thanks for watching.